Okay, it's recording. Dude, should we put this in a YouTube video? Can you introduce it this time? Okay, we're doing some sort of project with lemonade ice cream. Cause we're bored. Yeah, we want to see how it reacts.
This is lemonade ice cream. We got you the V8 thingy-mabobber.
Dish soap.
Pickle juice.
With Ajax. And Ajax. Or whatever this is. Because it's obviously not Ajax.
And something else.
Oh, it's garlic butter.
Garlic butter, get it? I'm just going to give a little bit. And frosting.
And garlic butter. Sticky on the bottom.
Duh.
This is the lemonade ice cream.
Okay. Wait, why is it so hard?
Just take that little piece. No, not the huge one.
There's little crumbs in here.
Okay, just take the tiny crumbs. There. That's enough, kid. Then we put in the garlic butter. Now we're gonna mix it in.
Tomato juice. Pickle juice.
It smells. Don't drop any pickles. There's a lot of liquids in here.
Dish soap.
I want to pour the dip soap.
Dish soap.
Dish soap.
Oh, that smells good.
It does. Do not try this at home. It smells. Add the frosting.
Okay.
Can you scrape it in?
You do it. Here, read.
Why'd you take?
Oh, that's good. I know.
Ooh.
Ajax.
How can you
You do
pour
it.
it?
Not that much.
Mix this.
Ew.
Mix it. She's a better mixer. I should have bought marshmallows.
There. Okay, now we're gonna try it.
What? No,
Just kidding.
she's gonna try it.
Fuck that, it has Ajax in it.
And dish soap.
Ew,
Why would you snip it?
it smells like baby food.
Okay, so we're done, and like, she just squished strawberries in there. No, that was no tomato. Retard got some on the counter.
Okay, mix it.